Here's how you can use import mapping and scheduled tasks in your warehouse management workflow in Sellercloud. Go to Settings. Choose Manage Import Mapping Profiles from the Mapping Tools menu. To create a new import profile, click on the blue button and press Create. Choose Warehouse Inventory as your import type, and upload your sample file. Click Edit to map the corresponding columns. And save the changes. Once the profile is created, you can add a new scheduled task for the upload. Go to Companies, and then to Manage Companies. Click on Scheduled Tasks, and you'll be directed to a list of all your scheduled tasks. To create a new scheduled task, click on the green plus button on your right. Fill in all the necessary details and press Create. On your Scheduled Task Details page, you will be able to enable your task and choose the mapping profile, import options, and frequency. Save the changes you've made, and you are good to go.